happy 15th year anniversary iVolunteer.
Happy 15th anniversary mula sa aming lahat sa Project Pearls.
Mula sa The Storytelling Project, happy 15th anniversary iVolunteer.
From the Citizens Disaster Response Center, we want to congratulate iVolunteer on our 15th year.
Happy anniversary iVolunteer Philippines!
Congratulations iVolunteer on your 15th foundation anniversary.
Happy anniversary iVolunteer PH!
Happy 15th anniversary sa iVolunteer.
Happy anniversary iVolunteer.
Sign language interpreters of Davao region would like to joyfully greet you a happy 15th year anniversary.
Hello iVolunteer! Congratulations on your 15th anniversary! Grabe, 15 years na pala yun of making impact in the lives of Filipinos.
You came to us at the most depressing time, critical time after the lockdown. You opened your doors to choose us to be your first project of face-to-face volunteering. That was something so marvelous. Bayanihan learning sessions. You welcomed us when you created pockets of groups to discuss, to teach, and to recognize the learnings that caregivers have perhaps forgotten or set aside. Caring for the caregivers, as others would call it.
iVolunteer truly support us in engaging with different non-profit organizations. They serve as a bridge between private company like ours and small organization to better support our communities and those in need. Thanks to iVolunteer Philippines connection, we witness situation beyond our borders and we reach communities once we thought were unreachable.
Naging malaking tulong sa amin ang iVolunteer dahil sa kanila ay meron kami mga volunteer na kabataan na tumutulong sa aming mga activity.
Nakasama ng CDRC ang iVolunteer for more or less 10 years na, and we are very happy with the group vibe kasi they're active, cheerful, warm, and welcoming. May makausap kang isa sa kanila, mapapa-volunteer ka na talaga, mahawa ka sa enthusiasm nila. Being in the development work and disaster risk reduction management sector, our tasks can be extremely tiring and challenging. Pero we got a lot of volunteers from them. And these volunteers have various tasks from making social media posters for call for donations and info dissemination to repacking relief materials. We were able to network through their Go Volunteer Expo.
Volunteers play a crucial role in driving positive change within the communities and the organization, providing invaluable support that amplifies the effectiveness of the various initiatives, whether it is through organizing events, mentoring youth, or offering essential services. Volunteers contribute their time and skills to help address pressing needs and foster a sense of unity.
So iVolunteer has been our constant partner ever since last year. First, we've gathered time volunteers through the iVolunteer website, and we've had a lot of tour guides, or as we'd like to call them, our wildlife buddies, visit us here to further our education in saving the eagles and protecting its forest homes. Also, we've had talent volunteers online in order for us to help create educational materials to help supplement our wildlife buddies' spiels. We've partnered to raise funds last year to equip our forest guards in the field with cell phones and other materials for eagle monitoring in the wild.
Maraming salamat for giving us the opportunity na papabilang sa mga organisasyon na napili ninyong tulungan, which is hindi namin magagawa ang lahat ng advokasya namin without these volunteers. Masaya kami na naibahagi namin sa mga volunteers, sa ibang tao, yung advokasya na meron kami dito sa Silid-Aralan. At maraming salamat sa oportunidad na ibinigay niyo sa amin.
You know that in KAIF, we really treat you as our family. Katuwang namin sa volunteer program na ginagawa namin sa KAIF. Sa inyong walang sawang suporta, lalong-lalo na sa pagpo-provide ng opportunities for other people to know about KAIF advocacy, ma-experience din nila minsan sa buhay nila kung ano yung mga ginagawa nating mga programa para matulungan ang mga batang may karamdaman. At gayon din, sobrang nagpapasalamat kami kasi sa lahat ng aspeto ng pagtulong, naririyan kayo para sa amin. Mga regalo, yung mga Noche Buena packs, yung mga personal activity kits na inyong itinutulong lalo na kapag Christmas season. You always tap other volunteers and sponsors para po matulungan ang mga Kite Kids natin.
Maraming nakata ng aming orientation or volunteer onboarding dahil nakita nila sa iVolunteer platform. May mga active volunteers na madalas na umattend ng aming sessions, hindi kaya mga bahagi na ngayon ng core team na nag-lead ng organization na na-recruit namin sa tulong ng iVolunteer. For the past few years, kasama kami sa iVolunteer. Kaya may mga Christmas wishes kami for our communities na natupad gaya ng printer or mga libro. Minsan nga kahit hindi Pasko, may mga donations na dumadaan sa iVolunteer. Kaya marami na kami napamigay din ng mga libro o mga school supplies. At mahalaga yun kasi learning resources talaga yung isang pangangailangan ng mga communities po namin. Panahon din ngayon na maraming mabibigat na problema, napakahalaga na may organisasyon gaya ng iVolunteer na nagbibigay espasyo para magkakilala at iba't ibang organisasyon o institusyon o mga individual na may parehas na advokasya para magtulungan at ma-resolve yung mga problema na malapit sa kanila. Kaya thank you iVolunteer for the gift of community.
Kami ay sobrang nagpapasalamat para sa partnership natin over the years. Dahil sa inyo, napakadami na naming mga naging volunteers na talaga namang hindi lang volunteer pero naging kaibigan na rin namin, naging advocate namin at naging supporter ng aming mission. And dahil yon sa platform na binigay ninyo sa mga NGOs na katulad namin, you are also providing an opportunity for NGO workers to be more empowered, to be more skilled. Hindi nyo kami pinapabayaan, palagi kayo nakasuporta sa mga ginagawa namin, sa mga programs. Thank you for the resources that you are providing for us. Thank you for all the events that you have organized na talagang nakakapag-encourage sa ibang mga volunteers na mag-community work pa. And also, we are able to connect with other NGOs who have similar mission. And I think in the work that we do, yun naman talaga yung pinaka-importante, di ba? Na sama-sama tayo, bayanihan tayo dahil hindi naman to kaya ng isang tao lang or ng isang organization lamang. And thank you for not just being our advocates or supporters, but you are really like our friends in the development sector.
iVolunteer has been a symbol of revival for our organization. It helped us have a lovely revamp last 2023 during the Go Volunteer event here in Davao City. Without iVolunteer, I cannot imagine how will we have a glorious comeback after the pandemic. You have helped us not only in our technical weaknesses, but also in the ways of the heart. You brought along not just people and communities as our partners and volunteers, but also hope in itself.
Through the Social Innovation Challenge, we were able to prove that a small and new group of volunteers can make a huge impact to a community. iVolunteer helped us organize our group so that we can engage more volunteers and more supporters. The learnings and the network that we got from iVolunteer serve as a promise of a better Cats of Sorrento in the future.
I thought at first, SIC is scam. Kasi libre daw yung trainings, tapos wala kaming babayaran. But then hindi pala. And I was blessed to be one of the finalists na nag-benefit ng program. And SIC, the trainings, the materials, and the guidance that iVol family has provided really helped us a lot. It paved the way for change makers to have better structure and also clarity of vision that help us unlock more heroes, one child at a time here in Camarines Norte.
iVolunteer has been our invaluable partner. Their support has significantly enhanced our ability to serve our community. With their help, we reached more people in need and built stronger relationships within our community.
And we in Kite is so grateful for our partnership. I remember during the pandemic especially na ang hirap makahanap ng volunteers. You were able to provide us with volunteers from different parts of the Philippines and even different parts of the world. And they were the most dedicated volunteers that we had to provide psychosocial support to children with cancer and other chronic illnesses, to ensure that they can learn, play, and grow despite being in the hospital.
The iVolunteer team has helped our program Mindshift Initiative reach more audience and achieve more meaningful partnerships through their Social Innovation Challenge.
I stand before you today to extend our heartfelt gratitude to you and to all your volunteers for your extraordinary support to Silid-Aralan. Dahil sa inyo, mas marami kaming mga batang natulungan across the country, and that is why we are very excited about our continued collaboration. I am very confident that in the knowledge that we bring together, we can really achieve remarkable things. Your unwavering support reaffirms our belief that through collective effort and shared vision, we can really make a significant strides and truly make a difference in the lives of our young learners.
We can't thank you enough for the avid support and endless assistance that you have accorded us through the years. We wouldn't have had successful implementation of our learning program if not for the untiring support of the volunteers who have been present in every step of the way.
15 years na nagpa-partner na kami with iVolunteer, and ang dami na namin nakuha 2KK volunteers coming from iVolunteer. And apart from that, marami rin tulong yung iVolunteer sa growth ng 2KK, maraming mga pa-seminar, at pumupunta din sila sa communities namin sa Payatas, Sampaloc, and Smoky Mountain.
MVP and iVolunteer work together to bridge educational gaps, promote cultural understanding, and empower the local community. iVolunteer donated portable projector to the Madaris Volunteer Program, which was distributed to partner Madaris schools. This initiative has strengthened our capacity to deliver quality education program in Guam. Additionally, iVolunteer's emphasis on collaboration and community engagement has helped us build stronger connection with local stakeholders, fostering a supportive environment for our initiatives. The increased volunteer participation has directly contributed to improved educational outcomes for students and greater community involvement in our programs.
Malaki ang natulong ng iVolunteer on our organization, especially on the paperwork, on how to manage a project. And as an organization, we come to have a system on which na-manage namin yung volunteering operations namin and every activities that we do.
Thank you for all your support. It's almost 4 years na partnership with iVolunteer, and it's been a great journey together with you. Specifically, yung last year with the Go Volunteer in Mega Mall, it helped us reach more and share more ano yung ginagawa ng Solar Hope.
We're also grateful for the Social Innovation Challenge. So, it really challenged us to step bigger and reach more communities dahil dun sa mga natutunan namin. Lalo na nung pandemic na akala namin parang mahihinto mo na yung Solar Hope, pero hindi. Ang daming ways pala na ma-improve namin yung organization and patuloy pa rin kami.
Maraming salamat sa iVol dahil sa kanila na i-connect kami sa Google na magbigay ng kasiyahan sa mga estudyante sa Badjao, sa Malitang, Batangas.
In all this, my heart goes to you with all sincerity in the beautiful thing that you do, encouraging others to volunteer, not out of pay because they're not paid, but giving yourself your time, talent, and treasure. That alone is inspiring, and with that inspiration, Arnold Janssen Kalinga Center wishes to continue its mission of recreating and empowering lives with iVolunteer.
Thank you once again to the entire iVolunteer team and to every volunteer who has stepped forward to join us and other organizations in this meaningful journey. So your contributions are truly appreciated. Happy anniversary.
Thank you for also servicing the most vulnerable sectors in our community. Parang kayo na ang manifestation ng sinabi ni Rizal na kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Kayo na yon.
Happy 15th anniversary, I Volunteer. May you continue to be a channel of blessings in our community, support more small organizations, and engaging more volunteers. Let's come together and make a difference.
May you continue to inspire and mobilize volunteers for many more years to come. Congratulations on your 15th anniversary, IVOL.
We wish you a pleasant and joyful celebration, and may you continue to inspire innovation and cultivate more youth leaders here in the Philippines.
So, I Volunteer, congratulations on your 15th year, and maraming salamat for all the learnings that we got from you.
I pray that this organization will reach more passionate souls who will be more inspired to create positive change in their society through the spirit of volunteerism. And to the entire team, to all the leaders, and to all the passionate volunteers of IVOL, I would like to congratulate you for reaching this far. Grabe, 15 years na kayo.
Happy 15th anniversary, I Volunteer. And sana mas marami pang blessing na ibigay para sa inyo. And sobrang thank you talaga, I Volunteer, na nandyan kayo para sa amin.
As you celebrate your 15th year anniversary, I hope you continue to inspire more people to do something for their communities, and continue keep on doing what you're doing, and help more organizations and many more people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, I Volunteer, for the partnership!
So thank you so much, I Volunteer, and congratulations again on your 15th anniversary.
I wish and pray for an infinite years of successfully carrying out your legacy while making every Filipino an everyday hero.
Thank you, I Volunteer, God 2KK! Hey!
Maraming salamat po, I Volunteer! Happy anniversary!
May pagpatuloy nyo ang advocacy na ito dahil sabi nyo nga, every Filipino a hero. And para sa amin sa KAIF, I Volunteer, isa kayo sa mga heroes ng KAIF Foundation. Happy 15th anniversary!
Happy 15th anniversary, I Volunteer, where every Filipino a hero.
So once again, thank you so much, I Volunteer, and happy anniversary.
Pika pika! Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!